Europacific. Logistics simplified. The world is getting smaller each day. More than 55 million square miles of land surface can be reached within hours, making the pace of economy, the intertwining of interests, one that was thought of impossible by even 3 generations ago. Slovenia is the economic frontrunner of the countries that joined the European Union in 2004 and was the first new member to adopt the euro as the country's currency on January 1st, 2007. Bordering Italy, Austria, Hungary and Croatia, Slovenia is becoming a significant basis for logistics companies. With a major international airport and one of the fastest developing ports in the Adriatic Sea, it can be easily reached by sea, air, roads and rails. Air transport is mainly concentrated at the airport Jože Pučnik, close to the capital Ljubljana. The highest standards of transport security and service made it one of the most attractive logistics bases in the area. The airport connects Slovenia to major European centers, which are all in the range of a 2-hour flight. One of Slovenia's success stories is the port of Koper, our biggest partner, an ambitious port that lies on the shortest transport route linking Central and Eastern Europe with the Mediterranean, Middle East and across the Suez Channel with the Far East countries. Its position makes it the perfect port for the transportation of general, bulk, liquid and other cargoes in import, export and transit. The port is committed to highest quality, and it was the first port in the world awarded the standard of ISO 22000-2005. Our most valuable asset is our staff. Thus, we tend to invest heavily into their training in order to assure the performance to your full potential 24/7. User-friendliness, reliability and transparency are the basic principle of our service. Supported by the high-end tracking technology and an informative website, you are certain to know exactly where and when your cargo is at the time and what services it has undergone. Given these competitive advantages, we manage to work inland and overseas. Due to our position at the gates of Balkan Peninsula, we specialized for Central and Eastern European countries and more. Regular ship connections from Koper, maintained by the world's largest shipping companies, are directed to all continents. It is the superb support of the complete logistics solution, from shipper to consignee, that made Europacific stand out over the rest in the region. Stand out for our customer. The world is not so far, not so big, nor hard to reach. See it for yourself. Europacific. Logistics simplified.